Look on the bright side. Isn't it annoying when people brush off your lousy day by telling you to look for the silver lining in the situation? It's almost as though they've never had the disasters you have. Perhaps their plans weren't interrupted in the ways yours were, or they were never blindsided by a personal or financial disaster. If you're having one of those bad days, weeks, or even years right now, take a minute. Ask yourself one crucial question. What if they're right? Sometimes we get so caught up in the bad going on around us, we forget entirely about what's going right. Worse, we might even miss out on a hidden opportunity we might not have ever thought was buried in upheaval. Being able to shift your attitude from one of negativity to one of possibility changes the entire situation, or at least your perception of it. What's more, you'll find it easier to think, to act, and to come out ahead when the disaster is over. All this starts with you and the attitude with which you take upheaval.